Did you know that there's a math problem so simple that even a kid can understand it, yet no one has been able to solve it for over 80 years? Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what the Collatz conjecture is all about. So, what is the Collatz conjecture? Essentially, it's a sequence that starts with any positive integer. You follow two simple rules. If the number is even, you divide it by 2, and if it's odd, you multiply it by 3 and add 1. You keep doing this, and the conjecture claims that no matter what number you start with, you will always end up at 1. It's like a mathematical roller coaster. Now let's dive a little deeper into this. The Collatz conjecture was first proposed by a German mathematician named Lothar Collatz in 1937. Since then, it has puzzled mathematicians around the globe. I mean, just think about it. This problem is so straightforward, yet no one has been able to prove it true or false. People have tried countless approaches, from computational checks for millions of numbers to sophisticated algebraic techniques, but the core mystery remains unsolved. Isn't that wild? It's like chasing a ghost that keeps slipping through your fingers no matter how hard you try. Let's explore this a bit more. When you take a number and apply the rules, you usually see some interesting patterns. For example, if you start with the number 6, you end up with a sequence of 6, 3, 10, 5, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Quite neat, right? But if you try it with much larger numbers, things can get really chaotic before they finally settle down. The catch is that while it seems to work for every number tested, the proof has eluded mathematicians for decades. Researchers have even tied it to other areas of math, like number theory and dynamical systems, searching for clues that could finally crack it. Yet every time they think they are close, the mystery just deepens. Now, here comes the pivotal moment. After years of exploration, some mathematicians have proposed that the conjecture might actually be a window into the nature of numbers themselves. It's not just about sequence, it's about understanding the fundamental properties of integers. This insight has sparked new research avenues. Just imagine if one day someone proves the conjecture true or false. It could open the door to a whole new realm of mathematical understanding. So to recap, the Collatz conjecture is a simple yet profound problem that's been stumping some of the brightest minds in mathematics for over 80 years. Its simplicity is deceptive, and the implications of its proof could change how we see numbers forever. It's a reminder that in math, even the simplest problems can hold the deepest mysteries. What do you think? Do you believe the Collatz conjecture is true? Have you tried it with your own numbers? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos where we dive into even more mind-bending math problems. Subscribe now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.